Occupy protesters have been getting a lot of flack lately for their drawn-out protests and disruptive tactics, but members of Occupy San Francisco have turned that energy into an interesting new project. They've announced plans to form a new credit union in hopes of keeping money from San Franciscans local. The People's Reserve Credit Union hopes to draw money away from big banks in order to fund microenterprise loans and create local jobs. Brian McCoon of Occupy SF says their hope is to, quote, economically empower workers, the working poor, and low-income families. There is a way to reduce the impact of large banks on the community, keeping the money where it belongs. They're also careful to note that the project was created by members of the Occupy SF movement, but is not part of the movement itself. So far, the organization has found backing from some members of the city's board of supervisors and community organizations. They have also set some preliminary goals, including starting with a membership base of 500 members, accumulating assets of $7 million, and providing 300 to 500 microenterprise loans within the community. The organization also hopes to open 2 new branches in San Francisco, employing approximately 60 part-time students and members of the homeless community. Over the past few days, critics have voiced their skepticism online on how Occupy members were capable of starting a financial institution and whether they could be trusted. In fact, as we covered on 2-Minute Finance in a previous video, a credit union is actually a cooperative of like-minded individuals who all buy into and own a share of the organization. Just about anyone can start one. They're regulated by state or federal governments, and they carry share or deposit insurance. Our friends over at Bankrate boiled down the entire process of setting one up to 10 steps, including organizing the membership and board of directors, meeting regulatory approvals, and finding skilled individuals to run the organization. It'll be interesting to see how this progresses and whether they can maintain and balance their anti-Wall Street ideals with successfully running a credit union. For more information about the People's Reserve Credit Union and a link to their website, visit our website at 2minutefinance.com. I'm Bobby Lee with 2-Minute Finance. Thanks for watching.